friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and today I'm going to be working in my 2024 Project Life album. This is week 23. So I've already pre-selected the cards that I'll be using for the week. Most of these cards are from the Elle Studios June kit, but there's also some other cards from past kits as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take you through my week, starting with the top left hand side. The first 3x4 picture is a picture of my son. He had one last awards assembly for his school and received the high honor roll for 4.0. I was super excited. I didn't actually get to go, but my friend was there present because she was there for her niece, and she snapped a couple photos of my son, and I thought that was so sweet of her to do because I couldn't make it because we were short, and so I needed to be at work. So I was super grateful that I have this snapshot. Thanks, Haley. It means everything to me. So yeah, he wasn't really expecting the picture, so my friend said that she was kind of far away, but she like zoomed in and took the picture, so I'm grateful for that. Super proud of him, and there I journal a little bit about how hard he's worked all year to have that achievement. So yeah, the next 3x4 is a picture of my son. He's at his ortho appointment. He's coming up on the last part of his treatment. I believe he only has like maybe 2 more visits, and they will be removing them. So it is awesome. He is looking forward to having his braces off and enjoy food without braces. So yeah, so I journal a little bit about that. The next 2x2 picture is just a little snapshot of our food. Sundays we go visit family, so it's like grandpa and grandma's house, separate places, and then my mom surprised us with tri-tip from our favorite place called Grill Masters, and it is amazing. And so yeah, it was delicious. We were all super happy, and we all got our grub on that day. So I just journaled a little bit about that. The next 4x6 picture below that is a little thing that me and my co-workers did for Nicole, who is in the middle. She's dressed in black, and she's my friend that moved to Tennessee. Co-worker made as a friend, right? They turn into friends. So yeah, we dressed up like her. We wore wigs, and she loves Disney, so she's always wearing Disney. So we wore our Disney tops, and she usually wears jeans and flip-flops, her glasses, and her lanyard. And it's funny because like the one day that we decide to dress up like her, she doesn't dress up like she normally does. So we thought that was hilarious. But she got a kick out of that, and she was so surprised because she didn't notice it until she saw all of us come in with our Disney shirts and wigs. So that was hilarious. It was so much fun. She loved it, and it was so great. So I grabbed this card that said "This is totally awesome" and journaled a little bit about that, and colored in the little stars with some of one of my little marker pens. So yeah. On the right hand side here, I'm just journaling about my son's award. Moving on to the right hand side, the 2 3x4s in the middle. The first one is my picture for my Thursday 3. I was able to attend grad night. We went with one of our students, and yeah, it was I worked for 24 hours straight. It was pretty crazy, long day, but it was fun. So we enjoyed ourselves. After the kids got picked up from their parents because they weren't going to make it till 2 a.m, we ended up having fun, just us girls. So on the right hand side is a picture of my coworkers, and so we got to visit both parks. We had tickets to both places, and so yeah, it was a lot of fun. I never got to go to my grad night, so this was actually pretty awesome. I got to experience it kind of sort of on the chaperone side, but it did have its perks, so it was pretty cool. But at least I got to experience it somewhat of it. And then I just journaled off camera my Thursday 3, and I loved this new stamp set. I don't have it in front of me, but they're all from Elle Studios. There were the 2 stamp sets that I received in my June haul. If you'd like to see that, I'll go ahead and link that in here in the eye here so that you can check it out. And then I'm just documenting the last card to the right is just a little 2x2 of breakfast on Saturday morning, and so I just use one of these label stickers that's on the menu or something like that. It says it's on the table, and then I just added on here, added the date, and call that one good. Added a little puffy heart sticker from Elle Studio. And on the left hand side I printed 3 2x2s. And so what I've been doing with my kids is every last day of school for every year I take out the kids to in and out on the last day of school. And so we've made a tradition, and so yeah, the kids look forward to that. They work so hard throughout the school year and they deserve to be treated. So it's my little treat to them, and we enjoy it. It's just pretty neat. And then we just talk about, you know, how happy we are to be done with school and how the kids get to sleep in and stay up late, and we get to do all the fun things, and we do write up our bucket list of things that we want to do for the summer. So there's a couple of things that we've been working on, trying to get that list checked off. And so yeah, this pocket here is just, I just added my tickets there, and then I had a couple of Mickey punches punched out on cardstock. This one was on glittered cardstock. And then I do cut up my bracelets, my chaperone bracelets, because we had 2, one for one park and one for the other one, and so that was pretty cool that I remembered to keep them so I can add it in my album. So here I just used my Tim Holtz mini attacher, and I attached both, and I added a couple of gold stars, and then I do end up using that stamp set, and I can't remember now. I'll list it in the description. They have these really cute, like, Disney stamp. This is the volume 2. There is a volume 1. I gotta go check out that one so I can order that one. And then I called that card good. And here I'm just like trying to arrange this so that it doesn't slip. So I decided to staple it, and it's a lot better. Yeah, and then here I just went ahead and embellished this one other card here. And here you see the stamp set. Had lots of cool, the castle, the popcorn, the churros, that you can make a little, the headbands are super cute. I am looking forward to using this because I have to document my my Disney trip from last year, and most likely I'll be probably going in the future. So yeah, I definitely will invest in buying some Disney products. I never did because I never took my kids, but now that my kids are a lot older, they love it, and now they want to go every year. So that is a thing that I'm looking for, products to document these things. So yeah, magical memories, I think it's called. But yeah, so I just fussy cut this, stamp this, and call it good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give me a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I appreciate you, and hope you guys have an awesome day, and hope you guys are having a fabulous summer. Stay cool out there, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye guys.